In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an image to the back in Google Slides, a simple yet useful skill to enhance your presentation design. Whether you're crafting a visually appealing slideshow or organizing layers for a professional presentation, understanding how to order images effectively can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Slides. You can do this easily by opening your web browser and typing in the web address for Google Slides, or simply searching Google Slides in any search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. This is important because only then you can access your existing presentations or create new ones. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to either open an existing presentation where you'd like to move an image to the back or start a fresh one. To keep things simple, let's click on the blank presentation option. Alternatively, you might choose from various templates available if you need something more structured or themed. Now that you have your presentation set up, it's time to add the image you wish to move to the back. You can do this by navigating to the top menu and selecting Insert, then choosing Image. From here you can select an image from your computer or a web search. Once inserted, you might want to resize or adjust the position of the image to fit your slide layout appropriately. Once you've placed the image on your slide, click on it to make sure it's selected. You will notice a border appearing around the image indicating it's ready for editing. Next, look towards the top menu again, where you'll find a button labelled Arrange. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Scroll down to Order, where you'll see the option for Send to Back. Select Send to Back, and you'll notice your image immediately moves behind all other elements on your slide. This allows any text, shapes, or other images to appear in front, creating a layered effect that is particularly useful for background images or creating visual depth. Wrapping up, this technique is straightforward yet powerful in customizing your slide presentations. By mastering these simple steps, you can enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your presentation, making sure your key messages and designs are prioritized just the way you imagined. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips on using Google Slides and other handy tools.